I finished the Aveeno Daily Moisturizing Facial Cleanser, and I'm going to get a refill for it, but this is another cleanser that I use frequently, the Hydro Boost with hyaluronic acid hydrating gel cleanser. I like this one as well. I've come to learn that a lot of cleansers actually can deposit behind hydrating ingredients on the skin surface. You also have medicated cleansers like salicylic acid, benzoyl peroxide that can deposit those active ingredients on the skin surface and help with things like comedones, acne breakouts. I do always wonder, like, are the ceramides and the CeraVe cleansers deposited on the skin like their moisturizers? I'm not sure. I guess they are. A reason I really detest washing my face at the sink is I find that it's difficult to get the cleanser residue off and not have it trapped underneath your jawline. That left behind on the skin can be pretty irritating. You know, that's a common pitfall when it comes to cleansing is inadequate rinsing offage. Things can get trapped in the skin folds easily. If you soak in a tub and take a bubble bath residues, soaps, detergents can get trapped in the skin folds and end up causing quite a bit of irritation for you. Make sure you rinse everything off. I've got the Timeless Q10 here. 1, 2, 3. You can take this product up to around your eyelids. The peptides, you know, the story with peptides. They hold moisture there, they're humectants. Maybe they boost collagen, but all that to say, they can help smooth out those little fine lines under the eyes. Time for my sunscreen. Friendly reminder, sunscreen alone can help improve the appearance of your skin. It's an anti-aging product. Hype it up in your routine. It can really do a lot for you. It can make all the products that you might use in your routine, if you're someone who likes to use like a lot of antioxidants, serums, toners, exfoliants, etc. Sunscreen is going to really allow them to shine in your routine. It's really going to enhance their benefit tremendously. Otherwise, they're grasping at straws. 80% of skin aging is related to UV exposure, it's estimated. This Hada Labo sunscreen, it's very moisturizing. Like, you put it on and it's not the experience of using a sunscreen where it's stiff, it's difficult to spread. It's like a pop of hydration in your face. Doesn't make you shiny, in my opinion. I ordered some SPF lip balms because I don't know what's going on with Vanity Cream and their SPF lip balm. It's, you know, I'm out and I need a new SPF lip balm. Yeah, don't forget to protect the skin of your lips when you're outside from UV rays. They're super vulnerable. They don't have the army of defenses like the rest of your skin. All right, time for Dead Man's Reach. Served in bed, raised to the dead. One of you all commented that you live in Alaska and you're tickled by the fact that I have discovered this coffee company and fallen in love with it. It is seriously the love of my life. All the coffees from this brand that I've had so far, I mean, I've pretty much had all of them, have been chef's kiss. Oh, so good. It smells like a chocolate bar. I love these Airscape containers. They keep the beans really fresh. So I ordered a spinning pen organizer for all my desk pens that are kind of getting chaotic here, and I need to assemble it. And it's actually more complicated than I thought it was gonna be. Hopefully I can get it together. It came with tools and everything. This knob. Also came with instructions, always good. it. Wasn't too difficult to put together. Then I can just put my pretty pens out here. Mini iHerb haul. I ordered a few items. First of all, I don't know what's going on with Vanity Cream's SPF lip balm. It's one of my absolute favorites, and it's been out of stock, unavailable for a long time now. I really need an SPF lip balm. This is a good one from Aquaphor. It is a, focus, it is a chemical SPF, but it's pretty moisturizing. It has shea butter, castor seed oil, sunflower seed oil, nice and moisturizing. I also got the Aquaphor plain lip repair stick with no sunscreen. This one has similar ingredients except for no sunscreen. Shea butter, sunflower seed wax, jojoba seed oil. And then I wanted to give this one a try. It's Uriage moisturizing lipstick. I think it's just a moisturizing lip balm. I also got this by Hyalogic, their moisturizing and nourishing lip balm with hyaluronic acid. It's been a while since I've used this, but it's really good. It has shea butter, hyaluronic acid, coconut oil, jojoba oil. It's quite good. The other lip balm that I really love, that I almost repurchased but decided to get these on iHerb instead, is the Neutrogena Hydra Boost Hyaluronic Acid lip treatment. Anyway, here's the HA lip balm. Yeah, this is a good one. I also got these mandarin slices, crunchy and dried slices by Earth and Soil. These are quite good. They don't have any peel around them. These are really good. It talks about putting them in water to flavor your water, but I just eat them plain. They're fun to eat. There's only one serving in this bag, but it's totally worth it. They're good. Then I also restocked my popcorn. I love making popcorn at nighttime. I use my, here, where's it at? Popco popcorn maker. Easy breezy. You just put the kernels in here, put the lid on, and pop it in the microwave. It makes the most amazing microwave popcorn. And this Eden brand, the kernels, the popcorn that you get, really good. I also got some more coffee to have on hand, of course. 3-peckered Billy Goat. Y'all know I love that. And I also got some Dead Man's Reach. This is another good one. And then I restocked on some pumpkin seeds. These are really good. The Bergen Fruit and Nut Company. It's pretty good. Yeah, I love these. So yeah, that's what I ordered. All right, I also ordered this gym storage container that I'm putting together now to hold my yoga mats and my weights, because they're always like rolling around on the floor and I'm tired of that. And it also will hold my little stretchy bands. I've got one over there. So I'm just assembling it. Hopefully I don't jinx myself. It came with little wheels too. All right, let's load her up. Here, let me hang my TheraBand there. Ooh, this is gonna work out well. All right, let's put the weights here. Well, happy with that. Got my TheraBands there, I got my weights and my yoga mats. Perfect. Whew. What is the point of moisturizers, you might ask? To improve the water content of the skin, of the stratum corneum. To improve water content either directly by just trapping it on in there with occlusives, or indirectly by attracting it there with hygroscopics, or by improving barrier function by the deposition of physiologic lipids like cholesterol, ceramide, fatty acid, pseudoceramide, and likes. So, you know, I think it's funny when people make the statement, oh, moisturizers are just a gimmick. You don't need them. They don't do anything. Yeah, it's kind of ignoring a lot of clinical reality in which many skin conditions the cornerstone of management revolves around consistent use of a moisturizer. So if they didn't do anything, then how do you explain how symptoms and flares of those particular skin conditions are improved by the use of these ingredients, products, which are not drugs, they're not medications, but they definitely do have skin benefit. And as we age, our skin's ability to retain moisture, it declines. Barrier function is no longer as robust. We lose water more readily. With hormonal changes, that can happen. Certain skin conditions have problems with one of the key barrier lipids, filaggrin, which gets degraded into hygroscopics that attract water. The Cetaphil Flare Up Relief Cream I've really been loving, but I've got to say, the tube, it reminds me of the Eucerin, some of the Eucerin body creams are like this, and it gets to be a little bit tricky to get the product out. Research even suggests, there's research to show that for young babies, infants, who have risk factors for developing atopic dermatitis, if moisturizers are started early, it actually can reduce the chances that they go on to develop atopic dermatitis. It's wild. Moisturizing very early on. We also know that for patients who have eczema, using moisturizer consistently can actually not only reduce flares, but it actually can help control the severity of their disease to a point where they don't have to escalate to more intensive therapies, which is huge because those more intensive therapies are expensive. You know, we have all of these new cool targeted therapies, but the pharmaceutical industry, they are charging a pretty penny for those, and coverage can be challenging. With, you know, insurance can cover it in some cases, but it's not always the case for everyone. All right, all dressed. Now, I wanted to update you guys. So I've been testing out this Hatamuji Skin Conditioning Gel. It's a Japanese gel moisturizer that y'all recommended. I purchased it a while ago and remembered I had it. I like it, but I do think I prefer my the Aveeno Calm and Restore Oat Gel Moisturizer as a gel moisturizer. And of course, my Hydro Boost, I say my, like I own it, the Neutrogena Hydro Boost Gel Cream Extra Dry. I prefer those just from a consistency and, I don't know, effect perspective, but this is not bad. So gel moisturizers, this kind of texture and consistency are a really nice option for people who have redness prone skin or rosacea, because sometimes the heavy moisturizers, they actually can make you feel overheated and precipitate a flare of facial redness and rosacea for some. So I think this would be a good option, and it's super lightweight. Like, it hydrates, it gives a little bit of glowy bounce to the skin, but I still prefer the my rank order of these gel creams. Actually, I prefer in this order: Aveeno Calm and Restore Oat Gel Moisturizer, Neutrogena Hydro Boost Extra Dry Gel Cream, and then the Round Labs Mugwort Calming Cream is Chef's Kiss, and then this one is coming in there. I mean, it's really good, don't get me wrong. All of these are fantastic options if you like a gel moisturizer. In my opinion, for a skincare routine and using skincare products, the things that make the most striking visible difference are consistent use of moisturizers and or moisturizing sunscreen. Sunscreen for sure, it helps minimize redness, sun damage to the collagen fibers, DNA damage, all of that stuff. Sunscreen helps protect. It's not a shield of armor, however, but as far as something that you're gonna put on your skin, that has a lot of power. And simply moisturizing. Sunscreens are moisturizing. They are in a either lotion or cream or gel base. They have hydrating and moisturizing ingredients. They will help to a certain extent in keeping the skin hydrated, whether that be through reducing water loss just by their occlusive properties. So yeah, moisturizing and then cleansing makes a huge difference as well. You could be putting on all this moisturizer and sunscreen, but if you've got dirt, pollutants, and all this residue on your face, you just, you know, that's a lot of irritation that can develop. I think those three things make the biggest difference. Everything else is like bells and whistles. Even tretinoin, unless you have a skin disease that you're treating with tretinoin under the supervision of your dermatologist, even tretinoin, I mean, it's wonderful. It has a lot of benefits, improving the signs of skin aging. You know, it treats acne, and it also can help in removing some pre-skin cancers. Speaking of which, always get the backs of my hands. All right, y'all, I'm gonna wrap this vlog up here. If you guys like this video, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and as always, don't forget, sunscreen and subscribe. I'll talk to you guys tomorrow. Bye.